Welcome back to the Open Live Show. My name is DJ Rick on behalf of myself, the Little Brown Rasta, World Mag Entertainment, Flames Radio, Dragon All Star, Fire Q, World Mag Entertainment. I just said that a while ago. Why I said it twice, I don't know. But anyway, we got a very special guest inside the studio, right here for the first time on the show, G Vibes. Welcome to the show, brother. How you doing today?
Greetings. Yes, sir. Everything nice, Respect.
Should I say greetings in the name of the Most High Jah?
Rastafari.
That's more fitting
See?
entrance, right?
Yeah,
Welcome
man.
to the show, sir. How you doing today, though?
Yeah, man, I'm feeling good, Everything nice still,
You like the English weather?
At the moment, yeah.
Yeah,
good.
because the
It's
sun out
going
there
on
nice,
good. Yeah. It's nice outside and weather's going on good, so, everything good.
You have a slight English accent. Do you reside here?
Yeah, I'm born here still.
You're born here?
Yeah.
But to me, you look like because I hope you don't take it offensive. You look like my granddad. And my granddad is a Rastafarian his locks was maybe a bit longer than yours. But you kind of appeal to me as a Jamaican Rastafari who live in the hills and do the Rastafari and planting vegetables and so on. I hope you don't take it offensive, but that's how I interpret the looks of a Rastafari.
Yeah,
Your looks.
well, realistically, even though I'm born in England, if someone asks me where I'm born, I tell them I'm born on Earth because the Earth is a fullness and the whole planet is mine. See,
That's
you
right.
can go anywhere where you want to be. My parents are from St. Anne's.
I'm from St. Anne as well.
Yeah, see, and so that's
See?
the vibe originally.
That's
so,
why I know there's a special little vibe going on there, man.
See, and so everything is that. So the whole levels, spirituality from my parents come forward down to I and I is from the hills, same way.
Which
still,
is right.
So,
And your music is predominantly reggae music, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you play any instruments or you just a singer?
No, I play bass, I play rhythm guitar, I play keyboards, I play drums.
You play the whole band.
Yeah, well, part-time.
So you basically can do the whole production yourself, so to speak.
Yeah, certain times that's what I do. I do the own, production. But from a youth, I grew up playing with bands. So even though I can play all things, I still call in the musicians, them.
Yeah, to do the bits, yeah.
Yeah, and thing,
Yeah. So which side do you like more? Do you like the singing side or do you like the production side?
No, singing first. Everything else I do is because I sing.
Okay.
So I wouldn't do everything I do if I never sang.
Yes.
So
Your
that's how it comes.
biggest record to date. What would you say would be your biggest record to date?
The biggest record today, I suppose, would be a Roots tune I did in 1999 called Persecution.
Okay.
That tune opened up doors for me, brought me into Europe, and brought me to made people who never know about me know.
Yeah, because I've been reading a bit about I see it in your press kit where you've been covering a quite amount of ground, and you managed to stay relevant, so to speak, into your own way. Where, because I think it's testament to the type of music that you do. It's not really the today music that's going to be coming on and then die out in a couple of weeks' time. Your music more like tells a story, so it's more resonate with maybe even someone who hasn't born yet can probably listen to one of your tracks and get something from it. Is
Yeah.
there a message in the music? Is it intentional or you just like doing that side?
I suppose it's intentional in a way because of who I am.
Okay.
Because I learned to write music. As a child, I was always intrigued by world events without even knowing what they was. I was always one with, consciousness of us with us as a people. Even as a young child, I wanted to know, well, why are we fighting against each other and
Yeah.
why we can't come together. Even I was one of as a child growing, you're aggressive, you have fights and everything, but certain times I stepped back and said, no, these things shouldn't really be amongst us as a people. So from a young age,
Yeah.
listening to reggae music and within the messages I heard throughout the reggae, I said, you know what, the way we should be living is
Was your
really...
parents into the reggae music? Was your parents musicians as well?
No, my mother's into the church, so
Was
it
it
was
child?
it was a kind of a struggle with me and her still.
Same here.
With the reggae, me I listen reggae, she's listening
Gospel.
a gospel and wanted me to go to church. So that kind of pushed me to the reality side of reggae because she didn't really want me to play reggae.
Yeah, because reggae
in
is
the-
revolutionary music, where it seemed to be as a castaway
Yeah.
music. So I get it, because I went through the same struggle with my parents not wanting me to follow the reggae music, dancehall music, more liking me to follow my education, which is right. It's
Yeah.
understandable.
Yeah.
But there's a part of you that just clings on to it, and
yeah.
it's more powerful than even willpower. It just
Yeah.
leads you,
Truly.
and you have to follow.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. You know.
So your calling to music was when did you realize that this calling was you had to be doing this?
Well, you know what? I've been doing it from young, from about 10. You know what I mean? I started playing bass guitar about 10 years of age. My cousin is a bass player.
Yeah.
So I went to the yard and he showed me how to play bass and keyboards.
Yeah.
And as I got older into school, secondary school, even within school, there was a bands within school I joined.
Yeah.
So it just, music just kept on finding
just kept
me.
flowing.
Yeah, until, you know.
Well, that makes sense. So you reside in the UK now. You say you've been here. You were born in the UK.
Yeah.
Okay. So have you been to the Jamaica often, or you just don't go like most people who I know in the UK don't even go to Jamaica?
No,
anymore?
I've been in Jamaica a couple times, not regular, a couple times, but the vibe in Jamaica is nice, you know.
But this is what I don't understand. You've been living here all your life, but you do have a Jamaican accent.
My parents are Jamaican. My parents teach me how to talk,
That is very strange.
you know. So
It's very good. Don't get me wrong. But it's because my son, who obviously I'm Jamaican, my son, he struggles to say the simplest word in Patois.
See.
And when I say anything like, Daddy, what did you just say? So here's what, this is why it's intriguing to me, because you were born here, you grew
Yeah.
up in the system,
Yeah.
and obviously your parents are Jamaican, just like me, but my son doesn't have a clue about the Jamaican side, but you tend to get everything from the Jamaican side.
Yeah, well, I gravitate to where my parents come from still. So within it, I can speak English, raw English, if
Yeah.
I want to.
Yeah.
But the vibe within me right now is, you know, that part of me what comes out. So it all depends where I am, how I'm moving, you know.
Yeah. Explain the name for me, G Vibes. What's that about?
G Vibes was originally General Vibes from back in the 80s.
Okay.
See? So I was working on a sound system. I got my sound system, which is Remus.
Okay.
And I worked with our next song called Dread Diamonds, and I was going to a dance, and they asked me what my name was, and I never had a name as such. So they said, yeah, man, General Vibes,
General Vibes.
because you're full of vibes. So
And it just sticks.
it stick, yeah. So over the years, people never really call me General Vibes. If my brethren them would just say, I mean, yo, Vibes, wagwan. So I met Mad Professor, the music
Okay, yeah,
producer,
yeah.
one day, and he asked my name, and I said to him, General Vibes, and he asked me if I was a DJ or a singer, and I said, I'm a singer, and he said, oh, your name sounds more like a DJ
A DJ,
name.
yeah.
And true people was calling me Vibes and not really calling me the General by this time. I said, you know what, let me just reinvent the name and just cut off the General and
And the shortness.
shorten it.
So it's a rebranding.
Yeah.
That
you know?
makes sense. So what's next for G Vibes?
Right now it's just pushing forward the music and the productions, you know. I've got my label running. I've got plenty of productions to forward. I've got a EP on the road right now, so I'm putting together some singles.
You got an EP out now.
Yeah.
What's the name of the EP?
Jah Love is all around.
Jah Love is all around.
Yeah.
And it's on all major platforms. Is it on
It's-
Spotify, iTunes?
Yeah, it's on Spotify, iTunes, my website, which is www.newphasemusic.com.
So I don't understand. How you have a website? You should name your website G Vibes as well, innit?
No, I would have to have two because that G Vibes is an artist and New Phase Music
Okay, it's your own branding. So
is a label.
it's a label.
Yeah, because
Okay, I got you.
you know I produce as well. So with the productions and everything, the productions go forward on New Phase Music, and then me as an artist,
Yes.
I'm G Vibes. you know?
Everything ties together.
Yeah.
So this EP that you done, is it your production? Did you do everything on it?
No, there's 3 different labels involved.
Okay.
With it. There's my label, Peter Horningale's label, and Peckin's label as well.
Okay.
You know?
So that's everything coming together.
Yeah.
The EP, what's the feel of it? Is it predominantly reggae music, revolutionary, or is it soul? How would
No,
you
it's
define
mainly
it?
it's reggae, and it's just easy vibes listening. There's a little reality. There's lovers. There's
Yep.
a slight dancehall vibe. You know, just a reggae vibe. It's not hardcore dancehall, but the lyrical is more towards
Okay.
the sound system world.
Sound system where I see you hang on dearly to that culture.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. We all love it. And it's sad to see that it's kind of dying in the UK. It's not as healthy as how it used to be.
Yeah.
It's still going on,
Good. Yeah.
but it's not. So maybe you need to shed some light onto the culture in the music. Maybe that can steer back to its former glory days.
Well, how you mean? As in?
You know, maybe you can do some song glorifying that time or that.
Oh, okay. Seeing. Yeah.
You
Yeah.
never know. You never know what can happen. People can the youngsters may be intrigued to find out what was happening then and try to say, okay, you know what, let me do a little bit of research and then maybe they like it and they bring it back. So
Yeah. Well, I find people are still trying to build sound systems in England, which is the main part. But within having a sound system, the main thing is that you have to realize the way the sound system was, and if you want it to be light that time, it's a team. The team have to consist of the selector, the operator, and the mic man. One man don't have to do it all.
Yeah, but that's the thing. Now, that's where the new age. One man is basically the whole sound system. He's the mixer. He's the MC. He's the marketing agent.
Yeah.
He does everything, and he's short-changing everyone. And then where you find everything is folding and is capsizing because there has no legs to stand on. There's no foundation. So everybody's just trying to capitalize and getting everything where it's just, as I said, my grandmother said, too much rat can't dig one hole. If you try to fool over too much thing to your own head, it's going to fall on you.
Yeah, truly. Yeah.
But G Vibes, we give thanks for the strengths. It's a
sir.
pleasure having you with us on the Up and Live show. For people who's watching now and who's interested in the music and who wants to see you go further, how can we find you and find your music online?
You can find my music online on iTunes. You
Yep.
can find my music online on iTunes. My website, I was saying, www.newphasemusic.com. You can follow me on Facebook, which is Glenn Vibes. Instagram, Glenn Vibes. Twitter, G Vibes G. See, and I feel say that's about all the platforms where I'm at right now.
You cover it. You cover everything, all right?
Yeah.
And people, if you're watching now and you want to see more of G Vibes, remember you need to follow him and follow us. If you've seen this video, you need to like the video, share the video, subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram at Up and Live Show. And we follow us, we follow you for sure, all right? Well, before we go, we're going to be having a special treat because G Vibes is here and he has a microphone. There's a tracks to my left, so he's going to be giving us a small little performance. Are you ready for that?
Okay. What rhythm you have around it?
Don't worry about the rhythm.
All right.
Rastafari ready for every rhythm. So, baby, this is our Upper Live beat. And what we're going to do now, we're going to play our Upper Live beat. This is our personal beat, right? So, we're going to give this beat first. And then we're going to just freestyle to wherever goes, all right? You ready, G Vibes?
Okay.
All right, people, this is G Vibes here live on the Up and Live show. Listen up, freestyle.
Whoa, yeah, hey. Move up on the corner, them my fire bullets. Bullet gone astray and the rammer get hit. Stray bullet a ricochet off the wall. A passing youth man stumbled and fall. Cause he got hit with a stray bullet. You got to put a stop to it quick. Mothers about them, I wonder why an innocent child had to die. Stray bullets, stop kill the youth them with it. Stray bullets, too much gunshot, Alex. Stray bullets, stop kill the youth them with it. Stray bullets, too much gunshot, Alex. Inna the dance music did I play. Dance well nice, everything was okay. All of a sudden, the crowd did depart. Argument of one, gunshots a let off. Some running left, some running right. Running for cover to protect them life. Who not run, them I get flat. No wanna pick up no stray shots. Stray bullets, stop kill the youth them with it. Stray bullets, too much gunshot, Alex. Stray bullets, stop kill the youth them with it. Stray bullets, and too much gunshot, Alex. Gunshots in Jamaica, gunshot in America, gunshots in England. Them a fire shot all over. Stray bullets, stop kill the youth them with it. Stray bullets, too much gunshot, Alex. Stray bullets, stop kill the youth them with it. Whoa, whoa. All right, rhythm to rhythm. The Babylon is crumbling. You see the system falling. Long time was the warning. Now you see it happening. Babylon is crumbling. You see the system falling. Long time was the warning. Now you see it happening. Each and every day you be a war them fighting. Whoa, against the youth them everybody fighting. Hey, out of the road, people them a argue. I don't know why they can't reach the same point of view. And everywhere you look, people are fighting. Can't come together in a disaster system. 'Cause Babylon is crumbling. You see the system falling. Long time was the warning. Now you see it happening. Different rhythm again. All right, I saw you move. All right. All right, run it again. All right, as we talk about the sound culture, I'll give you something about the sound culture. Anytime two sounds string up in a lawn, niceness of a guan, but there can only be one. See? Everybody want to be on the top. So one have to be the champion sound. Richer, richer, some boy can't test this a champion sound. Some boy can't test this a champion sound. Your bass flappy, 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 you no good, no good, no good. You flappy, 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 you no good, no good, no good. So leave the champion, let them play in peace. Your timpan distorted, your bass sound weak. Your bass flappy, 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 you no good, no good, no good. You flappy, 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 you no good, no good, no good. My sound plays with quality. A sound boy test them get hang and bury. The bass flappy, 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 you no good, no good, no good. You flappy, 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 you no good, no good, no good. So leave this a sound, let them play in peace. This your sound, request that. Yay, ay, 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 ay. You can't penetrate, this your champion. You can't penetrate, no. You can't penetrate, this your champion. You can't penetrate, no. Cause some boy can't test this a champion sound. Some boy can't test this a champion sound, no.
So that was the proper freestyle. The man bring you back to the culture where the dancer was like vibing in the streets of the sound culture. I see you really like that. You keep that close to your heart.
Yeah, man.
And, you know, I wanted to give you the proper dancehall rhythm where we could give the local one drop style. But I said to myself, you know what? I'm not gonna give you that. I don't want to put you in your comfort zone. I want to keep you out of your comfort zone.
No problem.
All right. So thank you very much for making the Up and Live show.
Yes, sir.
It was it was a pleasure having you here, and I hope you go on to great things for the future. All right.
Yes, sir. Give thanks.
Respect
brother.
our manners.
Blessed love. Every time.
People.
See?
Remember,
Blessed
follow
love.
the journey. G Vibes right in the Up and Live show. Subscribe to us, like us, share us, and if you like the videos, thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs up. Simple as that. All right. Peace. Up and Live show. We out.